हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, चलिए शुरू करते हैं। एनसीईआरटी 9th क्लास क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स चैप्टर फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट एंगल ऑफ अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल आर इन द रेशियो 3:5:9:13, then find the angles of a quadrilateral. Let us suppose then the common ratio Vx, then the first angles becomes angle A is equals to 3x, angle B is equals to 5x, angle C is equals to 9x, and angle D is equals to 13x according to the question. Then we put the first property is this कि the sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360. So according to this property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C and plus angle D is equals to 360. Then put the value of angle A. Angle A is equals to 3x, angle B is equals to 5x, angle C is equals to 9x, and angle D is equals to 13x. Then all of this sum of all angles is 360 degree. Then sum all these x, so 3x plus 5x plus 7x plus 13x becomes 30x. 30x is equals to 360. Then x becomes 360 upon 30. Then x becomes 12. Then according to the question, angle A is equals to 3 into x means 3 into 12 is equals to 36. Angle B is equals to 5 into x, then 5 into 12, then is equals to 60. Angle C is equals to 9 into 12 becomes 108, and angle D is equals to 13 into 12 become 156. If diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. Solution is here. Question said diagonals and parallelogram. So before we write the solution, we write given and to prove. What is given? Given is two things, diagonals and parallelogram. What is parallelogram? If we let ABCD is the parallelogram, then we can say AB is equals to DC and AD is equals to BC according to the property of parallelogram. But one more thing is given to us is diagonals of parallelogram are equal. Then one more thing is given in the question, diagonals. What is diagonals? AC and DB is the diagonals. So question said here कि diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then AC is equals to DB is also given here. Given, we wrote the given, AB is equals to DC, AD is equals to BC, and AC is equals to DB. Then we write to prove. What have to prove? That it is a rectangle. What have to prove? That it is a rectangle. Then what is rectangle? If rectangle, then what is rectangle? If opposite sides are equal, and all angles are 90. So here only we have to prove that opposite angles are 90, because opposite sides are equal is given here. We not need to prove opposite sides are equal, because of question said कि it is a parallelogram, or in parallelogram opposite sides are already equal. So we not need to prove opposite sides are equal. We have only need to prove all angles are 90. Then सॉल्यूशन, all angles are 90 proof करने. There is many ways to solve this question, but simplest we try is that in triangle ADC and triangle BCD, AD is equal to BC. We have given this AD is equals to BC. Second thing, DC is equals to CD, common. Third thing, AC is equals to DB, also given in the question. Then triangle ADC is congruent to triangle BDC by SSS congruency criteria. If two triangles are congruent, corresponding angles are equal and also corresponding sides are equal, but we have to need angles to prove angles are equal. Then we only take angles. Then we wrote angle ADC is equal to angle BCD by CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle, the full form of CPCT. So we have proved that ki ADC angle is equals to BDC. This angle is equals to this, and this line is parallel to this because of ABCD is a parallelogram. It is given. If two lines are parallel and one transversal is cut, then same side of angle is always 180 degree, because AD is parallel to BC because ABCD is a parallelogram, and DC is a transversal. Then angle ADC plus angle BCD is equals to 180 degree. Equation 2, and here we write the equation 1. Then you clearly see this angle is equals to this, and sum of this plus this is equals to 180. Then we put ADC is equals to BDC. So ADC की जगह पर, in the place of ADC we put BDC because ADC is equals to BDC. Then we put ADC की जगह पर place of ADC BCD. BCD plus BCD is equals to 180 degree. Then 2 of angle BCD is equals to 180 degree. Then angle BCD is equals to 90 degree when dividing 180 by 2. BCD is equals to 90. If BCD is equals to ADC, then we can say ADC is also 90. Then see here, this angle we prove 90. If this 90, then this is also 90 because of these and this are parallel and this is a transversal. If this is 90, this is also 90 because of this and this is parallel because of ABCD is a parallelogram. Then this and this is parallel and this is a transversal. If this is 90, then this is also 90 because of this and this are parallel and this is a transversal. Then we can say similarly ADC is equals to BDC is equals to DAB is equals to ABC is equals to 90. Then ABCD is a rectangle. Reason is that ABCD is parallelogram with all angles are 90. This is the answer.